This session we'll learn how we can install and set up for the Golang language so that you can start your first application in Go language. Okay, so it is very simple steps, so we will need to follow. So first what need to do, you have to visit this official website go.dev./talk.install. Okay, so first you just download that MSI package. Okay, so here once you click the download option, so you will see that future downloads, and here for the Windows, so you can use that MSI package. Okay, and that Apple and Linux, so you can use other things. Okay, but here for the demonstration for this Windows machine, so I just download and install. Okay, so after download and installs, you have to check like it is proper install or not. Just open the cmd command. Okay, command prompt, and let me check go version. So here they will prompt us it is installed or not. Okay, so it is installed or proper we have a version. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is we have to create one folder. So let me change this directory and move it to our main directory. Okay, and just we have to move it our main project file. So uh, this is the extra stuff we are doing, but yeah, you can just create whatever your path. Okay, so you can just choose your path. So I am going to my path is here. Okay, now I will create a one folder. Okay, so what would be the folder name? Like for example, first go golang demo. Okay, so okay, that is not exist. So what I need to do, I just need to create. Okay, so let me create this md dot this. So see, it is created. Now I change to the directory. So first, okay, so now I'm here on here. Okay, see, in this directory nothing we have. Okay, it is empty directory. Okay, so let me clear this one. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to create one command. I need to fire one command. Actually, that command that will create dot mod file. Actually, what does that mod file? So that mod file, actually they store their dependency, whatever your packages dependency they will keep and maintain and storing over there. Okay, so let me create first. So how we can create that? It's very simple. Go mode. Okay, and then initialize like init. Okay, and then you can specify your path, where actually your path, actually module path. So what would be the module path? Like for example, suppose all the code I have in a git, right? So git.com, git.com, then slash your modular path. So what would the modular path? Like for example, I'm create this first golang demo, so I can specify the first golang demo, and all just up to you. Like you can just specify what is the module. Like for example, uh, it is a you know product module, it is a admission module, it is a something like this. Specify the module. So for example, my domain name is like .net real world example. Okay, so this is my uh, domain name, and I can specify here my modular name. So what is my modular name? Modular name is like products, or for example product, or just first application. Okay, so let me create. See, once you fire this command, you will able to see it is created one go.mod file as well as one module. So what module name is like .NET real world example slash first. Okay, so this is a module name. So okay, so that in future in upcoming session we'll use that another module will create that will import over here. So that time you can understand okay why we record that module. Okay, so as of now that is fine. Just create a module for this here, and now see, this is only just create a one file. Okay, if you want to see what is there in this file, so just open a code, a VS code. This is a simple command to open your VS code. See, I'm just opening that code. Okay, so in VS code, one more thing you can just install actually extension that is called is go extension. Okay, so for example, go, just search for go. See, this go extension you can just install over here. Okay, so once install, so see, you you able to see that go.mode file. So in this go.mode file, it is just this is a import. Okay, so this is a module they have import which we have to specify and just mention okay which is the version it is. So this is the version. Okay, so now you need to write first program. So how we can do that? First you have to create a one file. Okay, so how we can create that? It's very simple. Like for example, I need to create main dot go. Okay, so once I create main dot go, so here I need to write some code. So first we can specify okay this is which kind of package. It is a main package or this is a partial package. Okay, so this is main package, so you have to specify this is main package, so that every time this is our main package and main file which is running, which will run and execute our code. Okay, so just import. Okay, one, this is a mechanism of import packages. So just import and then your package name. So this is a empty package. So what does this package? This package actually just show that write that some printf command, or that printf, and write that just like a console print. So we'll use that one, so for print purpose. Okay, so create a function. Okay, main. Okay, so this is a starting point. Okay, inside the main I will use that fmt package, okay, which is just import over here. And in this we have like print a function, so that I can print something like okay this is okay getting started your first app with golang. Okay, this is simple. Then function main, and just specify over here. Okay, I think it is giving the error if you changed over here. See, it is compiling error, so they actually maintain as well their formatting. Okay, so this is done, and then just try to run. Okay, so let me run, open a terminal over here. Okay, and just what is the run command over here? You can go run and then specify your that main.go file name. Okay, or you just can specify a dot. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so this is a one way you can use that, and the another way is that go dot main dot go. Okay, this is another way. This is a two way to run your application. Okay, so I'll use that first, go dot run. Okay, and once it's run, okay, see, there is a one error, means it is not execute. It is not error, but yeah, this is you have to know. Okay, because this is very important. uh, but might be some session you are not able to do that, explain more over that, but yeah, I actually observe, so that's why I was thinking okay I have to show you. Neither I can run my application very easily. Okay, so this is what actually, see, I just created main.go.file. It is automatically save function is not working properly, that's why it is compiling. Okay, so what you need to do, just if you get this error, so that means your file is not properly saved. Okay, see, if it is not saved, so it will not expecting this file whatever we using. Okay, main package or what is that. Okay, so what you need to just control s, or just here just save. Okay, so make sure it is proper save. Once it's saved, just run one more time. See, once you run is save and proper run, so it is giving your whatever your message. Okay, so this is your message. Okay, so whatever we printed over here, so this is over here. Okay, so this is how we can getting start our application over here. Okay, but yeah, in upcoming session also just run with this another way for closing this session. Okay, so for example main.go. Okay, see, this is also working properly. Okay, and also if you want to run in command prompt in command, so that's also will work, like for example run uh, go run dot. See, this is how it is getting started. We have printed actually message. Okay, so this is a get for the starting purpose, like you can understand how we can set up and how we can start your application with golang. But yeah, in later upcoming session we'll learn more and more. Actually we learn uh, many things, like how we can create a module, how we can create multi modules, how we can create restful api with the go and jing, and also build generic things we have to learning over here. Also we'll learn how we can create a web application using that golang. Okay, and many things we will do. So keep tuning and please don't forget to subscribe.